appreciate you. Even if I'm saying your name wrong, just know we here, okay?
Now gurus and new she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I 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 always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free.
Y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Hermosa Hair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, because you know I'll mess up a name, girl. Okay, I will mess up a name, but I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But you guys are going to be able to see it either in the title or somewhere on the screen at some point. So once again, shout out to them. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is their Skin Melt HD Lace Wig, 13x4 lace front wig, straight human hair. They do have this unit available in 10 to 30 inches. I am personally rocking 24 inches. It does come in a 13x4, a 4x4, and a 5x5 lace. As I stated, I don't know if I stated that. Well, as you guys saw, I have the 13x4. And the densities that are available is 150, 180, and 220%. I have the 220%, and I want to go ahead and say it is definitely given 220%. I'm not sure if you guys can tell it just by looking at me, but when I literally pulled the wig out, I was like, dang, this wig is heavy. It has to be at least 200%. Like, so the fact that I said that made me really believe that the unit is 220%. It says human hair type, 13x4 straight lace front wig, pre-plucked wig. The texture is straight. The color is natural black. and it comes in a medium size only. That's the cap size. So you can only get this wig in a medium cap size. So be mindful of that. And those are all the details and specs. Okay, so this is a straight unit. And as far as shedding and tangling, y'all know, if I get a straight wig that sheds or tangle, she needs to be returned to sender, okay? You guys won't see that video, okay? I'm gonna send her back to her house. So, because I feel like with straight wigs, I shouldn't receive it, you know, I may receive minimum, very minimum shedding, but I definitely should not receive any tangles. And that was definitely the case with this particular unit. I did not receive any shedding or tangling with this wig straight out of the packaging. That's not to say, oh girl won't do any other things. That's just to say straight out of the packaging, oh girl is not doing any other things. So I want to go ahead and throw that out there about this unit. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, this particular unit is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps and to make it fit like I wanted it to fit. So in my opinion, I deem it to be big head friendly, but I only got the head that's on my shoulders, and the head that's on my shoulders is an average cap size. So do with that what you want to do with that, sis. Okay, do with that what you want to do with it. I will go ahead and say this unit basically woke up like this. Okay, I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. I did bleach the knots, and I do have 50 volume developer right now, so I did bleach the knots. I wanted to make you guys aware of that, but as far as tweezing or any of that, I did not do any other things, and I also did not feel like this unit needed baby hair. So okay, and yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons with this wig, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so you know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. So my cons with this wig would be the fact there's a 13x4. You guys know that is a standard con. Another con that I had was there are some shorter pieces right in here where the weft is at. So if you don't actually spray them or use some type of wax stick, they will be sticking up in the air. Okay, so I want you guys to be mindful of that. You guys know I like to keep it a whole buck with you. I'm gonna let you know the real tea. That's the tea with this unit. Those are my cons. My pros with this wig is, first of all, it came pre-tweezed. Okay, she came pre-tweezed. Okay, you guys know I don't like to tweeze a unit, honey. If she come pre-bleached, that's even better. But the fact that she came pre-tweezed is everything to me. I also liked how easy it was to kind of part and lay this unit down kind of flat. You guys know that I am not somebody that loves straight hair. I do believe everybody needs at least one straight unit in your closet. That's where I keep my wigs. I don't know where you keep your wigs. But I just love how effortless this unit was to style, okay? And even though it's a silkier texture, it was still really, really easy to style. And I think it looks really, really sleek. So those are my personal pros when it comes to this particular unit. So would I recommend this unit? Yes. I think if you're looking for a really easy, effortless, straight wig, this is your girl, okay? That's just how I feel. Now, I was a little wary because they kept saying, the company kept saying, don't curl it. We don't want you to curl it. And I was like, what? Do she not hold heat? Like, what? Why y'all keep talking about don't curl it? So I turned my flat irons up as high as they would go, and I got my doggone straightener, and because I wanted to make sure that they weren't telling me that because it was something wrong with the hair. No, the hair held heat really, really nicely, and I did curl a piece. I ended up straightening it out just to kind of check it to see, because they kept saying straighten it, but I guess they're just going for a particular look. So because of that, yes, I would recommend the unit, but honey, I had to make sure because honey, if old girl wasn't doing the things, I was gonna have to ship her back. Okay, you guys don't know, that's a headache. That is a headache. I've had to do that. That is not fun. Okay, that is not fun. So I just wanted to make sure because they kept saying that they want the unit to be straight. Don't curl it, just straighten it. So it did hold the curl. It's a straight wig. It don't hold the curl like a body wave or anything like that, but it curled up and it was a nice curl. So I did it. Okay, I did it so you don't have to. Anyways, that's that on that. So now let's get into this full 360 and lint check. Alright y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Alright y'all, so that is basically it. Let me know what you guys think down below. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. I know some of you guys are not into the sleek hair, okay, but you know I have to bring them every now and then because some of you guys are, and like I said, I think you need at least one. I'm not saying have a closet full of sleek hair, but I do think you need at least one, okay, in your life. Y'all, if y'all hear the lawnmowers, I'm so sorry about it, okay? But yeah, I think you need at least one in your closet. So yeah, once again, shout out to Hermosa Hair. Y'all definitely came through with the come through, boo. I appreciate you, even if I'm saying your name wrong. Just know we here, okay? And if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.